Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on this middle icon here, and here you can change aspect ratios. So you have like 3:4 50 megapixels, 3:4, 9:16, 1:1, or 5:6. I mean. So yeah, maybe it will like be more obvious with the front camera, but in front camera you have like 3:4, 9:16, 1:1, and 5:6 too. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.